This is weird. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. No. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since I'm new to the YouTube game, I wanted to have my own media room. So I told my dad that I wanted to do a media room, and I went out of town, and then I came back and he built me this room. But the thing is, I'm not finished. It looks a hot mess, and I'm going to revamp it today. It's not a closed-in, like concealed room, but it has curtains built around it, and the floor isn't finished, and I just need to finish putting up more of my curtains. So I want to show you guys how I revamped my room. Ooh, I need a lash feel. Look at this disgrace, guys. It's horrible. We got YouTube history. This is from one of my first hair sales. Halloween over here. The presidential flag up the top. I have a leaky faucet. I mean, a leaky roof. And I have buckets down here. But it's not leaking anymore, so we plan to get that fixed very soon. So yeah, I'm just really sick of everything. What's that? Dirty towel. Low scubs. Who was over here doing the Cupid shuffle? It's it's so bogus, but we're going to revamp and replenish my soul with all of this. Here's our lovely receptionist. She's helping today. We out here finna be Bob the Builder. You feel me? Bob the Builder. Okay guys, let's get started. So what we're doing now is just getting everything out the room. This is what you draw. So we pinned up the curtains and then we swept the whole room. After that, we started to mop. And as in we, I meant Nevada. Great, now it's my turn. After the floor was mopped, we let it dry. So next, my dad is going to show us how to use this staple gun thingy. I'm Bob the Builder. My daddy played way too much. So this white floor was put down just because I was going to put tile on it and I didn't want to damage the hardwood floors. Hey y'all. I was definitely struggling with this thing. I'm Bob the Builder. This camera clearing them up. Want something done, you got to do it yourself. Get over there. Really? Okay guys, so I went to Menards to get my tile and they're extremely heavy, so let me show y'all real quick. I think this was like, how much was it? Like $27 a pack? Yeah. Around $27 a pack. And I bought 6 of them, and this is the color. It's like fake wood, but it's pretty and light. Try buying it at Menards. So my dad was explaining to us that the tiles needed to be lined up as a T in the middle, so everything will be leveled out when you put the tile down. I like doing this, but next time I'm definitely wearing knee pads. My knees were so sore. So guys, we're almost finished, but we ran out of tile. So in the meantime, we're gonna finish putting up the curtains around the room. Be with me, Jesus. I'm good right being up here. You see sick. Okay guys, so we're back again. Ran out of tile, so now we're gonna finish it today. That's the plan. So we have to close in the edges, excuse my socks, of the room. So what we're doing is taking the tile and cutting the excess off. This is the worst thing in the world, but it gotta get done. So to do it, you just line it up with the last square. And then what I do, I just mark it off like I did here. And then cut a straight edge with that linoleum knife. Where is that? Linoleum. Linoleum and him getting on my nerves. Hey, Narada. She all dressed up. Where she going? Just cut it. So my dad showed us how to take the poles out the floor and put the tile under it. Okay. So now everything is looking nice and tight, but I still have to put that edger stuff around the floor so nobody won't trip. And now we are finished. Still gonna put a few pieces of furniture and change the lighting in my chandelier, but so far so good. Everything looks really, really, really nice. I love it. You